A very good afternoon to all the Python programmers. Today in this video we are learning how Netflix uses Python. As in the last video we were discussing about the Python applications. So in this video we are discussing that how this subscription based streaming service is using this language Python. So first of all, my dear viewers, it's time to discuss what Netflix is. Netflix is basically a subscription-based streaming service that is used for all the web series that allows its users to watch the TV shows, to watch the web series on an internet-connected device. It is most popular throughout the world and it is having the million of subscribers. Now you can wonder that if we are learning this language Python, Netflix is using this language Python, and you all know very well that the popularity of Netflix is not hidden from anybody nowadays. So what is the first use, how Netflix uses Python? The first use is CDN. Basically, CDN is Content Delivery Network. When we hit the play button on any series, all the content is delivered to us with the help of CDN. There is an Open Connect which uses the libraries that are used in Python, that are written in Python. Whatever, when you hit the play button and the content is delivered to you, and at that time that particular content delivery is possible with the help of Open Connect and all the softwares that are used to build and design those that are written in Python only. And there are many applications that are used for solving network related issues. Python is the most prominent in solving the network related issues. Along with that, Netflix uses Python for big data. It uses Python for scientific experimentation. And how it uses Python for scientific experimentation, my dear viewers. Netflix uses Python for A/B testing. Along with that, it uses many libraries for the data statistics also, and for the data visualization also. Plotly is used for data visualization, and Netflix also uses Flask for the web development services. To integrate all the previous segments together, it uses Flask. There are many APIs of Python that are used by Netflix. Along with that, it uses a Jupyter Notebook, and in advanced version it uses Scale Jupyter for the data analysis. For the operational data analysis, Netflix uses Python, and that is the best framework to use. Along with that, if we talk about the applications of Python in case of Netflix, Netflix uses Python in many domains. It uses Python for data analyzation. It uses Python for data visualization. Along with that, if we talk about Netflix uses Python for big data also. It uses Python for machine learning. And I want to talk about that. It uses deep neural networks like TensorFlow for performing various kinds of operations. And Netflix also uses many other libraries. It uses this particular language for demand engineering. Demand engineering team performs the capacity management operations. Along with that, it performs the traffic administration, up to which limit the content should be delivered to the user. What is the capacity management? That all is performed by the demand engineering team. Netflix is also using Python for information security. So there are many applications of Python that Netflix is using. As you can see, my dear viewers, you cannot imagine this Netflix that you are enjoying in your day-to-day life. You are enjoying the different web series, and you cannot imagine this Netflix without Python. So now you can see what is the application of this language. If you learn this language, all the most of the subscription based streaming services, they are using this language for web development. They are using this language for traffic administration, for operations management, for machine learning, for big data, and for data statistics. And data statistics has to be calculated for data visualization. So you can see that what are the applications of Python. We cannot imagine that where the Python is used nowadays, and that is why I was stressing on the same thing again and again, that why Python is important. Just because not only because of this Netflix. I told you in the last video also, the most of the giant companies like Google, YouTube, Instagram, all they are using this language Python. So my dear viewers, just stay tuned to my channel for the next video. Thank you.